Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sharice, and in today's video we're going to be doing a quick little eyebrow tutorial. So I'm just showing you guys what my brows are going to be looking like and how you can achieve brows just like these or similar to these. So for the brows, I'm using the Milani Stay Put Brow Color in dark brown. I pretty much like my brows to be more so on the darker side because I do have my brows microbladed. So I kind of choose a shade that's a little bit closer to the color of my actual brows. And then what's cool about this brow pomade is that it comes with a little brush, and y'all, it was only $6.47 where I'm at, where I purchased it. So I actually picked mine up at Walmart. So if you want to use the same products that I am using, you can go ahead and pick it up at Walmart. It's a very good price, so I would definitely recommend. So now I'm gonna start to clean up my brows, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade medium beige. I use this color to highlight my under eyes sometimes, so I'm just gonna use this to clean up my brows as well. So now that I'm cleaning up my brows, I really want to take my time with this part because this is so crucial. This is basically how you determine how the shape of your brow is going to look after you already shaded it in, because once you go in and you clean it up, it's going to be that shape. So you want to take your time, and I'm using a flat brush. I don't remember where I got this brush from, but you can use any type of flat brush that you have, and just to carve out your brow. And for the top of the brows, you can actually use a darker shade, or you can use your foundation to carve out the top of your brow so you don't have that halo effect. And that is it, you guys. That is one of the easiest ways to do your brows. I know I used to struggle in the past to get my brows done, but now, girl, I'm an expert. But your brows are sisters and not twins, so if they don't come out looking alike, that's totally fine. As long as they look close to each other, then you're all good to go. But thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you did find this video useful. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.